When people think about health, they often focus on diet, exercise, and sleep. But one factor that is often overlooked is human connection and intimacy. Research has increasingly suggested that limited intimacy, whether emotional or physical, may be linked to certain health risks, including effects on heart health and overall well being. This doesn't mean intimacy is the only factor that matters, but it highlights how connection plays a role in both mental and physical health. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like to the channel, and hit the bell for more videos. Here are 8 important insights into how limited intimacy may impact the body and mind. 1. Increased stress levels. One of the most noticeable effects of limited intimacy is higher stress. Without regular emotional or physical connection, the body may produce higher levels of stress hormones. Chronic stress can affect multiple systems in the body, including the heart. Over time, this can contribute to fatigue, tension, and reduced overall well-being. Potential impact on heart health. Some studies suggest that people with lower levels of intimacy may experience higher risks related to heart health. This could be linked to factors like increased stress, lack of emotional support, and reduced physical activity. While intimacy alone does not determine heart health, it may play a supporting role in maintaining cardiovascular balance. 2. Reduced emotional support. Intimacy often provides a sense of emotional support and connection. When this is limited, individuals may feel more isolated or disconnected. Emotional support is important for managing life's challenges and maintaining mental resilience. A lack of it can increase feelings of loneliness and stress, higher risk of anxiety and low mood. Limited connection with others can sometimes lead to increased anxiety or low mood. Human beings are naturally social, and meaningful interaction plays a role in emotional stability. Without it, the mind may struggle to maintain balance, leading to negative thought patterns. 3. Weakened immune response. Some research suggests that strong social and emotional connections can support immune function. When intimacy is limited, the body may not benefit from the same positive hormonal responses that help strengthen the immune system. This can make individuals more vulnerable to common illnesses. Poor sleep patterns. Connection and emotional closeness often help the body relax. Without this sense of comfort, some individuals may experience difficulty sleeping or maintaining restful sleep. Poor sleep can affect energy levels, mood, and overall health. 4. Increased feelings of loneliness. Loneliness is one of the most significant effects of limited intimacy. Even when surrounded by people, a lack of meaningful connection can lead to a sense of emotional isolation. Long-term loneliness has been linked to various health risks, including stress-related conditions. Lower overall life satisfaction. Intimacy and connection often contribute to a sense of fulfillment. When these elements are missing, people may feel less satisfied with their overall life experience. This can affect motivation, happiness, and long-term well-being. 5. Reduced hormonal balance. Healthy intimacy can influence hormones related to bonding, relaxation, and mood. When intimacy is limited, these hormonal benefits may be reduced. This imbalance can contribute to increased stress and decreased emotional comfort. Lack of physical activity. While not a replacement for exercise, intimacy does involve physical movement. Limited intimacy may mean missing out on this additional form of light activity. Over time, reduced physical engagement can contribute to a more sedentary lifestyle. 6. Reduced release of feel-good hormones. Healthy intimacy is often linked to the release of hormones that promote relaxation, bonding, and happiness. When intimacy is limited, the body may produce fewer of these feel-good chemicals, which can affect mood and emotional balance. This reduction can contribute to increased stress and a lower sense of well-being over time. Increased risk of emotional disconnection in relationships. When intimacy is lacking in a relationship, partners may begin to feel emotionally distant from each other. This disconnection can lead to misunderstandings, reduced communication, and a weakened bond. Over time, emotional distance can affect both mental health and relationship stability. 7. Lower motivation and energy levels. Strong emotional and physical connections often provide a natural boost in energy and motivation. Without that connection, some individuals may feel less driven or more fatigued. This can affect productivity, daily routines, and overall lifestyle. Greater sensitivity to stressful situations. Without regular emotional support and connection, people may become more sensitive to everyday stress. Situations that might normally feel manageable can start to feel overwhelming. This increased sensitivity can affect both mental and physical health over time. 8. Missed opportunity for emotional healing. Intimacy can provide comfort, reassurance, and a sense of emotional healing. Without it, individuals may miss out on moments that help reduce emotional pain or tension. Supportive connection often plays a role in helping people recover from stress and life challenges. Conclusion. Health is not just about physical habits. It's also about connection, emotional support, and overall well-being. While limited intimacy does not automatically lead to health problems, research suggests it may be one of many factors that influence both mental and physical health, including heart health. Limited intimacy is not just about the absence of physical connection. It can also affect emotional balance, mental health, and overall well-being. While it is only one piece of the larger health puzzle, research suggests that meaningful connection plays an important role in maintaining both emotional and physical health. By focusing on building strong relationships, improving communication, and maintaining emotional closeness, individuals can support a healthier and more balanced life.